Have you ever found yourself entangled with someone whose vanity and self-absorption knew no bounds? If so, you might have dealt with a narcissist. But what if, despite their toxic traits, you find yourself yearning for their return? Fear not, for we have the ultimate playbook to make a narcissist come crawling back to you. Before we dive into the intricate dance of manipulation and strategy, it's crucial to understand a few key points. Firstly, while your ex may exhibit narcissistic tendencies, diagnosing narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, requires professional evaluation. Secondly, not all individuals with NPD are inherently toxic or abusive. With these caveats in mind, let's explore the art of winning back your narcissistic ex, mastering the silent treatment. Picture this: your ex, accustomed to basking in your attention, suddenly finds themselves in a void of silence. Ignoring their calls and texts sends a powerful message: they no longer hold sway over your emotions. As days pass without a peep from you, their insecurity mounts, and the fear of losing you grips their soul. Remember, silence speaks volumes, especially to those who thrive on control. But silence alone is not enough, it must be coupled with strategic engagement. Let them catch glimpses of your life through cryptic social media posts, hinting at the adventures and happiness they're missing out on. The enigmatic allure of your silence combined with tantalizing glimpses of your vibrant life will drive them to madness, yearning for the attention they once took for granted. Social media as your weapon. Ah, the digital realm, where perception reigns supreme. Your ex, scrolling through their feed in search of validation, will be met with a barrage of images showcasing your newfound zest for life. Each post, carefully curated to exude happiness and fulfillment, serves as a dagger to their ego. From exotic vacations to cozy gatherings with friends, every snapshot paints a picture of a life lived to the fullest, without them. But beware the pitfalls of oversharing. Subtlety is your greatest ally. Leave breadcrumbs of your adventures, leaving them hungry for more but never fully satiated. Let them wonder about the stories behind your smiles, fueling their curiosity and envy in equal measure. Remember, it's not just about flaunting your happiness, it's about leaving them craving the happiness they can no longer provide. The company you keep. In the narcissist's playbook, isolation is a potent tool for manipulation. Thus, nothing rattles them more than seeing you surrounded by friends and loved ones. Reconnect with your social circle, revel in their companionship, and let the echoes of laughter reverberate in your ex's mind. By demonstrating that you thrive in the presence of others, you strip away the power they once held over your social sphere. But don't just reconnect for the sake of appearances. Let genuine connections heal the wounds left by your tumultuous breakup. Lean on your friends for support, share laughter and tears, and reaffirm the bonds that narcissism sought to sever. In their presence, rediscover the strength and resilience that lie within you, untainted by the toxicity of your past relationship. Strategic vulnerability. Now, let's discuss the delicate art of vulnerability, strategic vulnerability, to be precise. While it may seem counterintuitive, assuming responsibility for the demise of your relationship can be a masterstroke. Appeal to their ego by showering them with compliments, subtly implying that they were the victim of circumstance. But tread lightly, for vulnerability is a double-edged sword. Offer them a glimpse of your remorse and regret, painting yourself as the flawed protagonist in the narrative of your failed romance. By shouldering the blame, you stroke their fragile ego and pave the way for reconciliation. Remember, in the narcissist's mind, absolution is a currency more valuable than gold. Unleash the power of dating other people. Picture this: your ex, basking in their own self-importance, assumes they still hold the reins of your heart. But little do they know, you've unleashed a secret weapon, the power of dating other people. By stepping out into the world of romance once more, you send shockwaves through their fragile ego. They'll squirm at the sight of you moving on, realizing they're no longer the center of your universe. But remember, this isn't just about rebound flings, it's about showcasing your independence and resilience. Keep things casual if you're not ready for a serious commitment, but brace yourself for the inevitable. Your ex come running back, desperate to reclaim the attention they once took for granted. Establishing boundaries, the ultimate act of liberation. In the realm of controlling personalities, nothing rattles them more than clear boundaries. Let your ex know that the door to reconciliation isn't just closed, it's barricaded shut. By firmly stating that the relationship is over and cannot be undone at their whims, you reclaim power over your own life. When they come crawling back, seeking solace in familiarity, stand your ground. Remind them of the definitive end to your romantic entanglement, leaving no room for ambiguity or manipulation. Your words become a fortress, shielding you from their attempts to regain control. Mastery of emotional control. Your ex thrives on emotional turmoil, relishing in the chaos they sow, but you, dear strategist, hold the key to their defeat, emotional detachment. When faced with their attempts to provoke a reaction, remain as impassive as the steadfast gray rock. Refuse to be swayed by their barbs and provocations, maintaining an air of calm composure that leaves them grasping at straws. Deep breaths and a practiced count to 10 become your allies in the battle against emotional manipulation. As they hurl insults and spread rumors, your serene demeanor becomes a shield, deflecting their toxicity with ease. The art of strategic vulnerability. But amidst the battlefield of manipulation, there lies a subtle art, the art of strategic vulnerability. In the twisted dance of narcissistic relationships, accepting blame becomes a weapon of mass manipulation. By shouldering the burden of guilt, you stroke their fragile ego, paving the path for their return. But tread carefully, for this dance is fraught with peril. Offer apologies and admissions of fault with caution, ensuring they serve your ultimate goal of reconciliation. Let them believe they hold the moral high ground, all the while orchestrating their descent back into your arms. Conclusion: mastering the dance of manipulation. In the labyrinth of narcissistic relationships, manipulation becomes both sword and shield. By dating others, setting firm boundaries, mastering emotional control, and strategically wielding vulnerability, you orchestrate a symphony of manipulation that draws your ex back into your orbit. But amidst the intricacies of manipulation, never lose sight of your true north, self-worth and authenticity. Ultimately, the power lies not in their return, but in your liberation from their toxic grasp. So dance the dance of manipulation with finesse, but always remember to lead with self-love and integrity. In the grand theater of relationships, the dance of manipulation may grant temporary victories, but true triumph lies in the sovereignty of self-love and authenticity. As you navigate the intricate web of tactics to lure back a narcissistic ex, never forget the power that resides within you, the power to choose your own path, free from the chains of manipulation. So, let the closing curtain fall not on a tale of conquest, but on a narrative of self-discovery and resilience. For in the end, it is the strength of your spirit that shines brightest, illuminating the path to a future untethered by the shadows of the past.